What up, guys? I have a Patreon supporter from the previous video who was wondering if he can still clean his Airpod without the use of vacuum cleaner. But I came up with another idea where that will save you a whole lot of stress. You don't need to use your vacuum cleaner, and it saves you a whole lot of stress. So, but the only thing you need is just few things, like your like toothbrush. It could be used one or maybe new one, but I prefer new one because this will help. If you're using a new one, it definitely help in penetrating the openings in the sound outlet of the Airpod. So I would like that you don't use a used brush, use a new one. So, but right now I don't think using a vacuum cleaner is necessary. So, but I have to remind you, before you start watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button. This can only help us to come up with more content on this channel. So, moving on, all you need is, just like before, warm water and a toothbrush. It could be used or unused, and your Airpod, of course. So all you need to do is dish out some warm water from your flask. Just follow my lead exactly the same way I'm doing it now. You don't have to go otherwise. If you go otherwise, I think you know what's going to happen. But this is the easiest means to do it without your vacuum cleaner, and you don't have to blow or do any other thing. And this I find most easy to do. Your Airpod will be as clean as it used to be. Sound quality will be as smooth as it used to be when you use it the first time. That's your Airpod. Before you start keeping this angle, it must be in this angle. Don't keep it the other way. This angle. Let the sound outlet face downwards. The reason is that I don't want the when you are cleaning, you don't want the water to go directly inside. So when you are cleaning, it drops down. So, but the idea of using the toothbrush is just for the those stuff to penetrate the openings of the sound outlets. So all you do is just to dig into the warm water, then you start cleaning this way. Clean exactly the way I am doing, facing it downward. You can clean as much as you wish to do it, but with warm water, facing it downwards. You can twist a little bit for the water to then continue to get rid of the water. Twist a little bit to get rid of the water. Then again, maybe 3 times, might be 4 or more, depending on how you want it. Then, one side is done, the other side. The same way, facing downwards. Facing downwards, always facing downwards. Another thing before I forget, after cleaning, do not place it upwards, still downwards. Just put it downwards. Maybe you have your towel on top of the table. Then you continue with the other. Like I say, twist again. Twist again. I prefer to do mine 3 times, but you can do more than 3, but not less than 3 times to maximize your cleaning. But make sure you clean this way. Sometimes it feels like the brush wants to get stuck in the outlet, but don't just mind. Keep doing what you're doing, provided is the sound outlet is face downward. Keep doing what you're doing. Then twist. Then you're done. So now we're done with the cleaning. Just wait for a few minutes for the water to gush out from the Airpod. I mean the little water I have already that has entered. You wait for it to gush a little bit, then you can twist while you're waiting, still downwards. Twist while you're waiting, still downwards. Now, you will do a little blowing, but not from here, not from here, from here. I think this is the air outlet for the Airpod, so you can blow, don't suck, blow from there. Just a few times. Then twist, blow again, then clean. We're done. We're all set. Then we can now try what we have done. So this is just it. Your Airpod is clean. Let's try it. I think it's already connected since I have is out from the automatically it's connected. Is out from the case, so I think it's connected automatically to my iPhone. So what you do is to put it and check if you hear the boom sound, that indicates connection. I just heard it now, so I play. So it works perfectly good. It works perfectly good. The sound is fantastic. So this saves you the stress of using the vacuum cleaner or otherwise. If you do it like this, it comes back to life again. Alright then, that's all we have today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Holla back.